Today we're going to be doing February's Allure. So if you're interested in what's inside and my thoughts on it, come on back. Hi guys, the February Allure is here. Now this box is, I think, $24.99 if you're grandfathered in, and it's $29.99 if you're not. This is what it looks like when you first open it. And I'll be honest with you, they're running a race with FabFitFun. Now I don't have my makeup on today because, as you can see, I'm starting to flare my eyes, and it's just easier if I don't, when it starts to flare, if I don't wear makeup for that day, if I'm not going anywhere or anything. So, but anyway, you get this little booklet with everything inside the book. It tells you the value. And they found some really good boxes. And, you know, FabFitFun's coming in about the same price, which is supposed to be here tomorrow. So, you know, I see they're realizing there's a competitor because, you know, and this is add-on and beauty favorites. You can put there and it will ship with your box. And then you can personalize your next box with add-ons. And usually, I don't do it this time, but usually they'll have a coupon like 10% off. Then, after you take all that off, this is what she looks like. That's what she looks like. Okay, so let's just start off simple, okay? Did I? No, I didn't. I forgot to get the scissors. Because they seem to be easier to open some of this stuff with than your fingernails, because your fingernails will break. And this is the color of the week, but this was the color of last week, and I wasn't able to get it off. So I just let it go. I said, you know what? Didn't look too bad. I didn't really try either, okay? So this is Cuccio Blaque Liquide Eyeliner, and this is what this looks like. And then you have this. Let's see if I can get, there it is. See, they always do that same color, expect me to see it. It's not gonna happen. But anyway, this is a very heavy eyeliner. You know, it feels heavy in your hand, like it'll be easy to work with. And it's one of those types, you know, the marker types that they didn't have when I was a teenager. And you can make it, you know, to your liking. And it's a very black. Does it say the color? No, it doesn't. No, it does not. But it's a very black. As you can see, it's very black. Okay, and let's see what the value of that was. See if I can do it while I'm going. Okay, this one, that value is $24, and that was full size, which, you know, was kind of in it. And then we have I don't know, Cuccio. Is that how you say that? I don't know. But it's revitalized roll-on cuticle oil, milk and honey. Let's see. Yeah, I put Rush on my FabFitFun and it's not here yet. They haven't even sent it yet, so I don't know what the heck. But this is what this looks like. And it's just a roller. You roll it across your cuticles, and since I just did my nails, I'm not going to do that. I always have dry cuticles because I work with my hands so much. I'm one of those people that just cannot do gloves. I can't get anything done if I'm wearing gloves. I'm trying to learn to do my dishes with gloves, but it's not going to happen. I don't have enough dishes to worry about. But anyhow, there's that. And it has a value of, let's see, $5.69. Not bad. And that is full size. Then we have CNP Laboratory Lipcerin. Propolis Glycerin. What's it say? I know it's for lips. Don't be intimidated by this balm's thick texture. It melts down like butter. It's the second it hits the lips. While we don't recommend eating it, the ingredient list is delicious. And it's $17.90. And this is full size. So we're having a good old month here, aren't we? This is full size. So, oh, and I'll show you. This is what this looks like. And it's like this. Then you click it up. And it does melt right down. Kind of looks gross, but I would probably use my finger to apply it. Probably, yeah. I mean, you don't have to, but you know, I think I kind of would. So here's this, and okay, and then the next thing we got, that was $17.90 for that one. Okay, the next thing we got is First Aid Beauty, and we like First Aid around here. Hopefully when my hair dries. But anyway, this is $28, and it's full size also. And this is, it looks like this. And then it looks like this. Okay. Now, you just put it, a few drops in your moisturizer. Let's see, there's a few drops. Put a few drops in your moisturizer of the day. And then it kind of shades it. Let's see, I put 2 drops there on my hand. So, but see, it will fade down even if you have too much. So you don't have to worry about, oh my God, am I going to go overdo it? But it will, and makes you look a little bit darker. And it also makes your moisturizer, it pulls it into your, and it looks more even. So I do enjoy that, and that is $28. Now we'll do the hero item. This is what I was kind of excited about getting because it's something different, and this is SIDIA, the solid perfume in braless or soaked, and I chose braless. And I can't remember what was in the soaked, but I do remember it was that crap. It had lavender or something that triggers my asthma, so I didn't use it. Oops, I don't think I showed you the box. This is the box. That is the box. Now here is perfume, and it's very heavy. You know, it looks like a little itty bitty thing, but it's heavy. I mean, it's not so heavy you can't hold it. Okay, which way does this go? There's the hinge, so it goes this way. And this is what it looks like. And you put it on your pulse points. It does smell very good. But I do smell a little bit of cedar in the back of it, which I usually don't really care for. I don't like those woodsy smells. I'm a man. I ain't a man, and I don't want to be a man. But it smells very good. It's supposed to have coconut. I don't know what the other ones are. Oh, braless is a milky floral with notes of violet, vanilla cream, and musk. And soaked is warm woody scent with notes of cypress, cedarwood, and amber. And that's why I did not want it. I don't like woodsy scents. I don't mind being out in the woods, but I want to go there. And this is valued at $48. So it's got quite a value. And it was full size also. So far everything in this box has been full size. So there's 4 full size items. Now they guarantee you 3. But here lately we've been getting 4. Okay, and this is the last thing, and this is waterproof makeup remover, and it's from Sephora. And let's see the price on that. It's $18 for 2 mil. We got 20 mils, so it's about $1.80, I would say. Close to it, right around there. But let's smell it. I don't use this stuff. It smells very fresh. It's that, you know, when you get that car scent that says fresh. It just says fresh. That's what it smells like. Sun's trying to come out. Look at it reflecting off my glasses. Come on, baby, come on. It's supposed to be 58 here tomorrow. We're going to have a heat wave. I'm so done with this winter. But anyway, come on back. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube things. You know I tell you. Old people need love too. Come on back. Bye.